Simplification is the first and most important principle in logo design and illustration, as long as our design doesn't lose its impact and meaning. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to teach you the most important design and simplification steps in designing an owl. So stay tuned and don't miss this video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to write your comments for us in the comment section. To start designing, we need to have a general cognition of what we want to draw. For example, in the case of the owl, we should know that the most important of its symbol is large eyes, elongated eyebrows, and its beak. So we have to be careful when designing it. To simplify, we cannot delete these parts. Okay, here I first draw a circle and try to fit all the important part of the old design in it. Now I draw the main symbols of its, namely its eyes and eyebrows, in a way that is quite clear. You can see now our drawing has found its concept. Now it's time to move the drawing to Illustrator and apply the final corrections and coloring to it.